Hi there, I will show you how to buy World Liberty Financial Token without Kick. This token is really good. I bought a little, but I want to buy more. First of all, copy token address. I also add this address to comments and description. You can copy that. After copy, go to MetaMask or another BNB wallet. Open MetaMask and click Import Tokens. Then paste address to Custom Token section. After click Import. Now we have 0 WLFI token. Click BNB and send BNB the token address to buy WLFI. You can write down BNB amount here, so send the WLFI token contract address. When transaction submitted, WLFI tokens will be on your wallet. Tutorial is done. Hope you like that. If you have not any wallet, you can install MetaMask app on App Store and send BNB to your address first. I hope you like my video.